Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Shane. I'm going to talk to y'all today about making money in woodworking, whether you do this part-time or you do it as a hobby. But even if you do it as a hobby, you can make a little extra money to support your habit. I had a Curio cabinet brought to me with a broken leg on it. It looks like an antique. I couldn't find any names or anything on it, so I don't know, but it looks old. It had a broken leg on it. He asked me to fix it, so I'm going to fix it and I'm going to take you along for the journey. This is what we have. It's the Curio cabinet. Those brown things are the shelves. They're just laid down. But the leg broke off, and it's really not a bad break, to be honest. All it is this little wedge that looks like that. That's the only thing that broke, I believe, because this is the leg, and it looks fine to me. So what we're going to do is we're going to replace that. We're going to take that off, replace it, clean this up, and put it all back together. And make that money, dog. The first thing we're going to do is get this off, and it's got flathead screws on it, which are a pain in itself. But I'm pretty sure this is I'm thinking it's probably glued on too, so that's going to create an issue. Yeah, these are flathead screws. Yep. It's screwed on. Glued on. Alright. Let's see if we can't get something to get that off. Alright, we're going to try these. Chisel and his mallet. I'll try the mallet first, see if it'll pop it off. Nope. Wow. Let's try this guy, see if it'll pop it off. Just trying to loosen it up all the way around the edges right now. See if it'll help. Almost broke it all the way clean. Alright, got that off. Just scrape off all this glue that's on here, so my next piece will glue back right. I have it all cleaned up. I had 3 flathead screws in it, which are horrible. That one's bent. That one's okay. That one's okay, so I can't use that one. But I got all this cleaned up. Cleaned all the glue and stuff off this side too. It fits in here just like this. So all we got to do is get another. This is the broken wedge, but we just got to get another wedge made to go right here. So I need to find a piece of wood, and I'm pretty positive it's oak. It's just got a stain on it. So I'm gonna try to replace it with either oak or a piece of wood that color. This is my scrap wood pile. Just a bunch of cut-offs. Then I have that wood. Tons of scrap wood up there. But we're gonna focus on a little piece of scrap wood. Got some walnut. Not dark enough. But this piece won't be seen anyway. So, but I'm gonna try to match it the best I can. It's not gonna be seen. It's under the, it's gonna be under bottom of it. Can't be seen. Got some scrap purple heart. This is a piece of oak. But it's not thick enough. That ain't gonna work. Whatever this is, I don't know what this is. It's big enough. But it's not oak. But this is oak. This is just a scrap piece I had cut off of an old table that I had taken apart. And you know what? I can cut it out of that right there. Found our piece. Then I'll find some dark stain. I think I have some really dark stain. And we'll stain it up. Alright, this is that piece I had. I cut the legs off of it. All I'm gonna do is to get a copy of this one, I'm just gonna put this one over here on this side. Take my trusty pencil. Mark me a line. I'm going to go cut this out. What I'm going to get first, before I cut that out, because I'm going to have to cut this down, it's too thick. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to get a measurement of that, see how thick I need to cut it. That way I can cut it this way first, and then I can just cut it this way. Be a lot safer so I don't cut these little digits off. So here's all I did, just because this is still the same width of that didn't break anything off. So all I did is I come in here, I'm gonna make it just wide enough for that to slip through. And I can run my board through it and it'll cut it that way. And then I'll come and cut it that way. Safety first. Safety. 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 Now I knew my blade wasn't tall enough to cut through this, but I knew it wasn't going to matter because it's just going to cut this part right here. So that doesn't matter. But I am going to get that cut off. We're gonna cut this piece out on the bandsaw. I just think it's the easiest and safest way to cut it out. So that's what we're gonna do. Don't leave wood, especially treated wood from the hardware store, or probably any wood from the hardware store. Don't leave it laying on your cast iron tops because it'll rust the top. I've got to try to match this color with this color. This color's old, dusty, faded probably, I'm guessing. I'm gonna think, my guess is gonna be it's dark walnut. That's my guess. But I also have this ebony, which is a really, really, really dark color. But we're gonna shoot with this walnut first. Wear gloves. I got this scrap piece I had cut off. I'm gonna try it on first, just to see. I don't think it's dark enough. So let's try this ebony. Yep. It's gonna be the dark one, fellas and ladies. All right, here's what we got. I got the wedge made. I got this piece ready to go on. I'm gonna glue it up. Glue it and screw it. I didn't put any stuff on this side because I need the glue to stick. Put some glue on this guy. Use the screws they got. It's not going to go back in that same hole. So, I gotta fix for that too. We're going to drill a new hole. Just like that. It's done. It's finished, guys. That's the old one. That's the new one. Little bit different color, but it's dark, and you won't be able to see it because it's on the bottom of it. But it's back together, and it's done. But that's going to do it for this one, guys. This video is about how to make money woodworking. You can either build brand new stuff and sell it, or you can refurbish stuff, fix broken stuff, and charge that way. Make sure you charge for, sorry about that. Make sure you charge for everything. Any consumable, you're looking at glue, sandpaper, blades, because your blades get dull. You got to resharpen those or buy new ones. Your electricity in your shop. If you work in the cold and you got ACs and stuff you got to run. Everything you use in your shop, somebody has to pay for. So don't eat the cost for that. Pass that on to somebody. But that's pretty much it. I fixed this. I don't know. It took me a few hours to do it, to get it right on there. So you're looking at a couple of $100, you know, just side money. So go out and make that money. See y'all next week.